friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm popping in today to share a little peek at a recent paper haul. I don't know if you've seen these yet or not, but they're so cool. Ciao has released these junk journal and ephemera books. These are big. These are like 8.5 by 11, maybe even a little bigger. Let's measure them. Well, 8.25 by 11.75. So they're really a nice size. They're super heavy paper, and they're really fun. This one is called Cabinet of Curiosities, and this is really heavy cardstock. I'm going to say this is 110 pound. And the front cover has all these great tags. Then they have these fantastic vinyl stickers that when you peel them off, they look like they're part of the paper. They're very high quality. All these wonderful teapots. This one's just kind of a mixed bag. And then on the back of each printed page, there's a beautiful pattern. So even if you don't happen to like the print, the pattern on the back is really nice. There are card fronts. There are fussy cuts. Here's some more of those stickers. I don't like the skulls. I just don't like skulls or things that look like death. I don't like to create with those, but some people love them, so whatever. Butterflies and botanicals. This fun apothecary case, but the pattern on the back is stunning. So you can see how you could use these. Now these papers in here, these are probably about 65 pound, maybe 80 pound, but they're nice sturdy papers and they've got a great finish. The pages like this are super fun. These are like little cut aparts that you can fold and make little corner pockets with, little tiny pockets, pocket inserts. Some of these are a little dark, but I like the pattern on the back. The thing is, you don't have to use every bit of this. Like, I don't like that one at all. But on the back, it's pretty cool. So they did a good job with mixing things up. More of those stickers, another botanical page. So this would be the kind of thing you could pull out and just make like a little tiny journal, something. I think they'd be fantastic for tags. They're just really fun. And then another page here. This one has a whole bunch of little sentiment stickers, which is great. This is the heavier 110 pound paper again. Some cut apart envelopes and circles. Beautiful pattern on the back, and this flips out another time. So you have another envelope here, this really cool, it's sort of like a shaped box. You can see it's got a hexagon on the bottom, and then you would just fold all those pieces up. So some really great fun ideas. So I liked these so much, and they're a really good deal. You can get these at a cherry on top, and I'll put a link in the description box below. That's what I'll do. Winter Wonderland is one of my favorite collections from them, and this is like an addition to the basic paper collection that is so beautiful. And we'll probably be working with this in December because it's just a great winter collection. I love the hues, and they've done such a good job with this one. I just love it. So I'll flip through this one quickly. Again, those great clear-backed stickers that you can lay over and they just kind of melt into the background. All these fun little windows and doors and fussy cuts and pockets. This really handsome fox. This would actually work with cozy time, and a lot of the papers in here would work with cozy time, and you could add some blues in with all those beiges and they would look really good. So I think this is what we're probably going to use in December because it's a nice bridge from Christmas in between toward Valentine's Day. I love all the people they've added, old book pages, ice skates, and wintry homes. This window scene is gorgeous, so you could use that on the cover of a folio. Look at this beautiful winter scene. It looks like you could walk right into it. More of these clear back stickers. The Arctic fox. Look at this cozy fireside. I just think these are beautiful. I love them. So we're going to have some fun with this, I think. in December. I had ordered another paper collection for us to use in December, but their production schedule is running behind at Simple Stories, so I don't have that one. So we're going to use this instead, and it's going to be beautiful. So I love these envelopes, and then of course patterned paper here. And because it was there, Christmas Vibes is one of my absolute favorite all-time Christmas collections. I use this to do a card kit for Button Farm Club, and I still love it. And this is a great addition to that. Look at these sweet little faces. So we might be able to squeak, I don't know, this is pretty heavily Christmas themed, but absolutely beautiful. And I just thought you would like to see it. It's very warm and nostalgic. Look at this old rusty truck. All these great images. Just a really great Christmas collection. These are only, I want to say these were about $11 a piece, which is a great deal for all that you get in there, especially now, you know, you can buy an Ephemera pack because prices have just gone. Look at him climbing up into the cabinet. An Ephemera pack can cost you a cool $8 or $10 now. So to get all of this for 10 or 11, I thought it was a really good deal. So I snagged them while they were there. I'll use them. I'll use them at some point or another, and because I just love them. I just think they're really, really cool. They're one of the most fun things I've seen in a while from a paper company. They're just very versatile. Envelopes, more envelopes, just fun. And then this great plaid here. So that's what we've got coming up for December 2024. I thought you'd like to see it. I'll be working with both this book. This is 32 pages for, I think it's about $11. So that seemed like a great deal to me. So Winter Wonderland with Ciao Bella will be our theme for December. And that's it for me, guys. Just a quick peek at what we'll be doing. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Can't wait to share with you. Go get your craft on. Bye.